Hey everyone, welcome to the Dev Shift, the podcast where we talk about how coding, careers, and tech are rapidly evolving, especially now with AI tools like ChatGPT changing the game. We are your code school, and if you're a developer, a student, or someone looking to get into tech, this episode is just for you. Today we're diving into a big question. How is AI reshaping the way we code and build our careers? So let's jump right in. Section 1, the AI wave in development. All right, so you've probably heard of ChatGPT, right? Or GitHub Copilot. These AI tools are not just fancy chatbots anymore. They can actually write code, help debug, and even build entire projects with you. This is a huge shift for developers. The repetitive stuff, like writing boilerplate code or debugging small errors, is now getting automated. And that means our role is changing. Instead of spending hours typing every single line, developers are becoming more like guides or architects, teaching AI what to do, reviewing its work, and focusing more on problem solving and creativity. It's kind of like having a super smart assistant that handles the grunt work so you can focus on the big picture. Section 2, Career Impacts. Now, what does this mean for your career? Well, for starters, new roles are popping up like AI prompt engineers who specialize in crafting the right instructions to get the best results from these tools. Freelancers are finding more projects that involve AI-assisted coding, which is exciting. If you're job hunting or just starting out, my advice is don't fight AI. Learn to work with it. Get comfortable using these tools in your daily workflow, but also don't forget the human side. Skills like communication, system design, and critical thinking are more important than ever. AI can do a lot, but it's not perfect. It still needs us to be creative and make judgment calls. Section 3, what you can do today. So what can you do right now? First, start experimenting. Try using ChatGPT for your coding projects. Maybe ask it to help you write a function or debug your code. Build portfolio projects that show you can work with AI tools. That's something employers will value. Keep an eye on tech news and updates on AI tools. This space moves fast. And lastly, stay open-minded. The tech world is always changing. Embrace AI as your teammate, not your competition. All right, that's it for today's episode of the Dev Shift. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and drop a comment below telling me how you're adapting to AI in your coding journey. Also, share this episode with your friends who might be curious about the future of development. Next week, we'll dive into the top 5 AI tools every coder should know, so stay tuned. Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep shifting and keep coding.